TOPSFLO is a professional DC brushless water pump, DC diaphragm, air and liquid pump, gear pump supplier, export to Europe and America markets. Also the national high-tech enterprise. The group companies has 16,000 square meters areas, including ESD, anti-static control digital workshop, automatic electronic production lines, motor production lines and pump assembly lines, with annual production capacity of over 3 million pieces. TOPSFLO has been certified by the German Rhineland TÜV ISO 9001 and IATF 16949. It strictly controls from R&D, raw material procurement, and production process to pursue and realize zero-defect quality target. TOPSFLO has a professional R&D center and 4 laboratories, and a team of R&D engineers with over 20 years of industry experience, which can provide customers with efficient and professional solutions or new customized development solutions. Its products have obtained over 60 national patents and have passed CE, RoHS, CQC certifications and met food-grade international testing standards. TOPSFLO pumps are mainly used in water heaters, home drinking appliances, car parking heater, liquid cooling systems, beauty and medical equipment, focusing on the micropump field, promoting the progress and breakthrough of the micropump industry with technological innovation, and becoming a century-old brand is TOPSFLO constant pursuit. TOPSFLO people will continue to work hard to create outstanding value for customers and realize the long-term win-win cooperation